going to do an unboxing today. I just got it a second ago and I am so excited. This is what I've been waiting for. I wasn't sure if I wanted this or another bag for a while, and after thinking about it for a while, I think this is the bag. Of course, I have to look at it first. I am so excited. It is a popular bag. So here we go, you guys. I got a Louis Vuitton. I'm so excited. I'll just throw this down over here. They did such a great job packing it up. I can never retie the bows the same way, you guys. I've tried doing that. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I've been excited for the past 3 days since I've ordered it. And here you go. Let's see what it looks like. I hope I like it in person. Look what I got, you guys. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Oh my goodness. It is so pretty. I am looking at this bag and everything just looks so perfect. I know Louis Vuitton was having problems with this bag, so I held out. Actually, I wasn't even sure if I wanted it anymore because of that, and it kind of just like went right out of my head, and started thinking about it not that long ago once again, because I know they have been trying to fix their problem, and I am looking at this bag and it is just so stunning, you guys. The color on this bag is just so beautiful. I love the back pocket here. I love that it has a handle. I need to open this. Oh my goodness. The inside is perfect. The size is perfect. I was kind of worried that this bag was going to be heavy because I hate heavy bags. I hate them crossbody. A lot of times I will wear crossbody bags and it'll hurt my shoulders after wearing them for so long, and I like this one because it has the option to carry it this way, kind of like the BB. And plus, when I wear crossbodies, I don't fill it up. I don't put heavy items in there. I do minimize quite a bit, and I do use card holders. So, oh, I'm just so excited. This bag looks amazing, you guys. It is such a beautiful bag. I got this bag from selling my Louis Vuitton watercolor Speedy 35 in the white. I purchased that. I never did an unboxing on it, but I did do a video and I never released it because of the fact that after I made the video, of course it takes time to edit it, and then within a week or so I was already wearing it, and I just figured that the bag is just, I just might not keep the bag, so I didn't think I should release the video. But I did sell it, and I got this bag. Let me go ahead and show you guys some mod shots. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. It is so pretty. I am 5'2", 115 pounds, and this just looks so cute. I'm gonna put it on the shortest length, you guys. I don't like my bags too long where when I walk it hits my legs and it starts bouncing around. I kind of like them up high like this. Oh my goodness, I love pink. As you guys all know, I bring that up. And this to me just looks so pretty. I am so excited. You guys, if you want me to do what's in my bag or what fits in my bag, let me know. I am so excited to do this. I need to take care of this. And if anybody knows how to take care of this bag, let me know, because it's such a light color. I didn't know if I can spray it with Apple Guard to protect it a little bit from maybe the pen marks or dirt or whatever, because I'm not really sure. So please comment below if you guys do have some suggestions. I would really, really like that. I'm really good at taking care of my bags, but you don't know what can happen what accidents can happen. So anyways, you guys have a wonderful day and God bless you. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, you guys. I will have more videos coming. Bye.